In this video, I will guide you through how to add color swatches on Shopify. So color swatches can help our customers and potential viewers to basically switch between different colors, no matter it is a product or anything basically that needs colors. So you need to install this application called Palmart Swatches, and this allows you to basically incorporate swatches inside your online store. You can see I have already installed it, and it does comes with a couple of plans. Like for example, we have standard. It allows you to color and image swatches. You can see over here, and we have an advanced version with much more features. Like for example, you can manage groups, collections, add standard features. You can add 500 products. In standard you can add 100 products. Then we have premium with even more features. So basically this allows you to add colors and image swatches, and all you need to do is simply head up to your online store and edit your online basically theme and incorporate the swatches in here. So you can utilize using your apps which we just installed, and you can see if you have an app option. You can see if you have color swatches, simply enable it and just wait for a couple of seconds and it will be showing up in here. So yeah, make sure to enable product swatches as well. And yeah, so basically now once you have a few colors for your products, it is going to be showing up in this section. So this is the idea behind this, and if you found this video helpful, you can make sure to subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our video. I mean subscribe to our channel, sorry about that, and see you guys in the next video. So yeah.